hello, my beautiful students. How are you? I hope you're all keeping well. Okay, now we have science. Please listen to me and follow me. Are you ready? Very good. Now we want to talk at first about heavy and light. Do you know what the meaning of heavy or what the meaning of light? Very good. Now, at first, I want to ask you, please holding paper and one book in your hands. Very good. Which one is light? Which one is heavy? How heavy or light you feel? Yes, the paper is light. Very good. And you can pick it up easier than book. Yes, what the meaning of pick up? For example, when something is on the floor and you want to take it and put it in another place, you should pick that things up. Very good. Now you know that what the meaning of pick up. Okay, some things you pick up feel light, or others feel heavy, like paper that you feel light, and about book you feel heavy. Yes, very good. And what is the weight? Weight is the measure of how heavy an object. When you talk about weight of something, you talk about how heavy an object is. Very good, very good. Look at this boy. He has two balls in his hands. One of them is light. Which one? Very good, the big one. And one of them is heavy, the small one. Very good. So he can pick the light one, pick the light one up easier than the heavy one. Yes, very good. Now here we have three pictures. Order from light to heavy. Write 1 for lightest, write 3 for heaviest. Then this one is paint. This one is paper clip, and this one is marker. Yes, so which one is lightest and which one is heaviest? Very good. The lightest one is paper clip, and the heaviest one is paint. Very good. So I wrote number 1 for paper clip, number 3 for paint, and number 2 for marker. Very good. Now here we want to talk about hot or cold. We know what the meaning of hot and we know what the meaning of cold. For example, ice cream is cold. Very good. What about the tea? Or what about the hot chocolate? Yes, they are hot. Very good. Now, how hot is a pizza? How cold is an ice cream or ice pop? You can find out by using temperature. You can find out, for example, how hot is a pizza? You should use temperature. So what meaning of temperature? What is it? Temperature is the measure of how warm something is. We can find out how warm something is. Yes? Very good. Now, I want to ask you, draw something hot on your notebook and draw something cold, okay? And in the live video, you should show me, okay? Thank you. Now here, we have some pictures that show us heavy and light things in hot and cold things. For example, this bag is heavy or light? Very good, heavy. And this book is light, very good. She can't pick it up because it is heavy, the bag, huh? Very good. And now here, the ice is cold or hot? Yes, cold. And the fire is it hot or is it cold? Yes, hot. Very good. Now, in this slide, we want to talk about sink and float. What the meaning of sink? Do you know? Okay, let me help you. Sink means go down below the surface or bottom of a liquid. Huh? Okay, let me show you something. Here is the surface of water in this picture. Yes? And when something go down below this surface, it means sink. Go down below of the surface, it means sink. And when something stay on the surface of liquid like this boat, it means float. Look, this boat float, it means that stay on surface of water. Do you understand? Are you sure? Very good. And in live video I will explain more. Okay, but now I want to be sure that you understand. Huh? Okay, now I want to repeat again. What the meaning of float? Float means stay on the surface of water like this boat, and sink means go down. This is the surface of the water. I'm sorry. Go down below the surface of water. When something go down below the surface of the water, we say sink. Like this clay ball. This is a clay ball, and the clay ball sink. Yes, because the clay ball go down below the surface, but the clay boat stay on the surface of very good water. Yes, exactly. And now I want to tell you what the meaning of clay. Clay means thick, heavy soil that is soft when wet and hard when dry or baked. Okay, very good. Now we know that this boat, for example, they use clay to make this boat. Very good. So they name this boat clay boat. Okay. Now, how does that boat float? How? Look at the clay boat and the clay ball. Clay boat and the clay ball. The ball sinks, the boat floats. Yes? Why? The ball and the boat have different shapes. The shape of the boat help it float. Sometimes changing the shape of something makes it sink or float. Yes? So now we know that sometimes changing the shape of something makes it sink or float. So changing the shape of something, it affects on that things sink or float. Okay, Now in this video